Had a 2016 Volkswagen Passat, and when I went to start the car, it just made a clicking sound, just like a cha-cha, 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 cha-cha. And the clock spun around, but no start, not even a try. Watched a lot of videos, and it's the battery. My battery was like the original one. I had it for like 7 years. It was awesome. Totally forgot that you have to change out batteries. But changed out my battery. It solved everything. I just cleaned up the terminals too. That was it. But I didn't have like a battery light in the dash or anything. And the time right before that started up no problem. Just check your battery. I hope this helped. Have a good day.